Solana Memecoin AI agent is very pathetic. Every day you see a lot of projects launching, promising you a brilliant idea, brilliant agent to help you navigate through this memecoin world. However, most of them are a complete work and they just sell you the empty idea. The moment that you put your large amount of money to buy the coin, it's going to crash down immediately. So today I'm going to review this project one by one and what you are going to look for and what you should look for in the project, and make sure that it's a real AI project backed by a real community. First though, why would anyone purchase a coin? So anyone that coming to the crypto world, they're going to buy a coin because they think that it's going to make them a millionaire. It's going to take them to the moon. So you kind of have a very large expectation for a coin. With the outbreak of ChatGPT, with the outbreak of cool AI stuff we have in this world, it's kind of understandable that you want to invest your asset in the high potential future with high return. That is why we see a lot of Solana AI agents that build around this narrative. Having been in full stack and machine learning engineer for many years, let me tell you the characteristic of a real AI project. Most AI project is open source because it can boost their legitimacy. It makes sure that the code doesn't have any malicious purpose. It's gonna be transparent. It has a lot of contributor. So most of them, they're gonna link their source code to the GitHub website. So what is GitHub? GitHub is a website that stores the project source code to actually build the project. So it's stored on the cloud. So GitHub. Let's take a look at this DeepSeek project. I'm sure you know that. Let's take a look at this column. This is a file in the project folder. This one was uploaded to the GitHub 2 months ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 months ago. When you see something like this means this folder was updated last week. And this is the oldest file in the project. And this one was uploaded last month. The older the age of the file is, the better. I mean, it can take years, it can take months to do the project, a very cool project, but not in a few days. If any AI project, they put on a link to their coin and you see that all of the file here is only a few days old, it could be a red flag. It could be a red flag. And another thing is that you have to check the number of stars for, because this can indicate that this project has contributor, has an active development going on, and a lot of someone can also avoid this too. And if you scroll down to the contributor, you see that a lot of contributor from various backgrounds contributing to this project, because it is an open source model where everyone can make their contribution to the project. And if you are suspicious, you can also look at each of their profile to see who they are, what they are doing. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Yeah, so it seems legitimate to me because the project is spearheaded by the Chinese, so it should be okay, I think. Another thing to look for is, even if the project is 2 months old, you have to check the latest contribution to the code to the project. So there are 48 commits. It means that the code was updated 48 times, and the most recent one is 2 days ago. So even if you encounter an AI project, the code was 2 years ago, and recently in this year there was no contribution at all, it could also be a red flag that the project is no longer in the development. You can also check the issues right here. So what is issues in GitHub? It is a place where developers, they discussing related to the project, like the bug, new feature, what to improve, the current issues. If you see some issues right here and there is some conversation going on. Like this one, it has two comments on IBGDA. I'm not sure what is that, but there's people talking, and you can also check their profile if they're from real background. This is also another way to verify if the project is real or not. But I'm sure that this one is real because it's from Dixit AI. It has 53k follower, and it's come from the official website. Another thing to look for is to make sure that the project is actually usable, not just an empty idea, an empty promise asking you to buy the coin but not actually providing you a real utility. So you have to make sure that it's working. So I'm going to ask here, is it working? I'm sure it works. Yeah. So it's worked. So you have to test in a few ways to make sure that the project is actually usable, and also if it linked to a coin and the coin has promised some utility, you have to make sure that you can spend the coin in the project. So in that way it can ensure you that the coin has future utility, so it's gonna gain some value in the future. After all of this, I hope you get some value from this video, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, I don't scam people, so kindly donate some Solana to my address so that I have some food to eat. Thank you very much, and meet you in another video.